So recently we had this exam in the course of urban economics and real estate markets at NIUIP, that is the National Institute of Urban Infrastructure and Planning at UT Peshawar, where we had our final term exams. And so here's the final term paper that most of the people sometimes look for in order to find some sample questions. So hereby I'm sharing this video to share with you all the questions that we had gotten in our paper of urban economics and real estate markets. You can take a look at the 4 questions that we were asked to write answers to, and the first one of which is, what is the need of urban land use policy, and discuss various aspects of land use policies and their controlling factors with examples. So this paper is actually for the spring semester in 2020. It's not written over here, but I'm mentioning it for your ease. So the second question was, using the Alonso model, explained land values are arranged in a typical manner in a typical city. What relationship exists between land values and land use in the urban areas? Now, the third question is, discuss the basic concept of von Thunen's regional land use model, how this theory is different from Cardo model in explaining various land uses. And the fourth and final question was, what are the various types of real estates? Discuss pros and cons of real estate business in shaping land values in and around the cities. So these were the 4 questions that we were posted with, and we had to provide some answers to them. So if you're looking for some more for some more papers or some such answers to different questions, be sure to hit that subscribe button, because I'll be posting more of these in the coming days. So by subscribing to the channel, you'll be able to easily get all these papers and the solutions to your answers. So with that, I'd like to